you ready to discover the secret to a healthier, more vibrant you. In this show, I'm going to reveal 10 powerhouse foods that can fight inflammation and supercharge your health. These foods aren't just good for you, they're game changers. Stick around because your journey to optimal wellness starts right now. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving into the world of inflammation. Now you might think of inflammation as just swelling when you get injured, but it's actually a complex process that plays a role in various health conditions, from heart disease to arthritis. The good news is, there are things you can do to fight chronic inflammation. And one of the most powerful weapons is your diet. In this video, we're exploring 10 amazing foods that can help you combat inflammation and boost your overall health. First up, we have turmeric, the golden spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Historically, turmeric was used to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin conditions. What makes turmeric special is its active compound, curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. Studies have shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, especially in the joints, and may also support heart health and brain function. So adding turmeric to your diet can be a game changer for managing conditions like arthritis, improving your overall joint health, and potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. You can incorporate turmeric into your meals, take it as a supplement, or even enjoy it as a soothing tea. From turmeric lattes to curries, the possibilities are endless. You can add it to smoothies, soups, and even sprinkle it on roasted vegetables. Embrace this golden spice and reap its numerous health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system or simply add a burst of flavour to your dishes, turmeric is a versatile and powerful addition to your daily routine. Next on our list is ginger, a spicy root with incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has been shown to effectively reduce inflammation and even relieve pain. Ginger is also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage. Whether you enjoy it in tea, stir-fries or smoothies, ginger is a delicious way to fight inflammation from the inside out. You can also incorporate ginger into your meals by adding it to salad dressings, soups, and marinades. This not only enhances the flavour, but also boosts the health benefits of your dishes. For those who prefer supplements, ginger is available in various forms, such as capsules and powders, making it easy to include in your daily routine. Berries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These powerful compounds give berries their vibrant colours and help fight inflammation throughout your body. Think of them as tiny but mighty warriors protecting your cells from damage. Whether you enjoy them in a smoothie, on top of yogurt, or just as a snack, berries are a delicious way to combat inflammation. They're easy to incorporate into your diet. Add them to your cereal, salads, or even desserts. Fresh or frozen, they retain their anti-inflammatory properties. So stock up on these tiny but mighty inflammation fighters today. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses. They are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help neutralize harmful free radicals. Additionally, they contain vitamin K, essential for bone health. Free radicals can cause inflammation and damage cells, but these antioxidants step in to protect your body. Make leafy greens a regular part of your diet to help combat inflammation and support overall health. Leafy greens are also high in fibre, which aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Incorporate them into smoothies, salads, or as a side dish to boost your nutrient intake and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Salmon, mackerel, and other fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They can help reduce joint pain, improve heart health, and even support brain function. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap the many benefits of omega-3s. Omega-3s are also known to enhance mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Additionally, they play a crucial role in maintaining eye health and vision. Including omega-3s in your diet can also improve skin health, making it more radiant and less prone to acne. So don't miss out on these incredible benefits. Make omega-3 rich foods a staple in your diet. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We're continuing our journey through the top 10 superfoods that help fight inflammation. And this chapter is all about a kitchen staple, olive oil. Not all olive oils are created equal, so look for extra virgin olive oil, which is less processed and contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called oleocanthal. Think of oleocanthal as a natural ibuprofen. It helps reduce inflammation and protect your heart. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. So drizzle that extra virgin olive oil on your salads and enjoy its benefits. Olive oil isn't just for salads. Use it in cooking to enhance flavors and get those anti-inflammatory benefits. It's a key component of the Mediterranean diet, known for promoting longevity and reducing chronic diseases. Plus, olive oil can be used in skincare for its moisturizing properties. It's truly a versatile superfood. Let's talk about nuts. They're not just a tasty snack, they're also inflammation-fighting powerhouses. Walnuts, almonds, and other nuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to combat inflammation and keep your body running smoothly. Remember, moderation is key, as nuts are calorie dense. A handful a day is a great way to incorporate their benefits into your diet. So grab a small bag of nuts for a healthy and satisfying snack. Additionally, nuts support heart health and brain function, making them a smart choice. With so many varieties to choose from, you can enjoy different flavors and benefits every day. Tomatoes, often mistaken for vegetables, are actually fruits, and they're loaded with an amazing antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that also helps protect your skin from sun damage. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them fresh in salads, cooked into sauces, or even juiced. No matter how you choose to consume them, tomatoes are a delicious way to fight inflammation and boost your health. So add some tomatoes to your plate and experience the benefits. Plus, growing your own tomatoes can be a rewarding experience, giving you fresh, homegrown produce right from your garden. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We're diving into the pungent world of garlic. This culinary staple isn't just for warding off vampires, it's packed with allicin, a compound that acts like a superhero for your immune system. Allicin helps your body fight off infections and reduce inflammation, making garlic an amazing addition to your diet. Remember, a healthy immune system is key in preventing chronic inflammation. You can also find garlic in supplement form, which can be a convenient way to boost your intake. Whether you add it to your meals or take it as a supplement, garlic is a powerhouse for your health. So make sure to include this superfood in your diet to keep your immune system strong and inflammation at bay. Let's talk about green tea, a beverage enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that combat inflammation and protect your cells from damage. But wait, there's more. Green tea also supports brain health, improving focus and memory. So grab a cup of green tea and enjoy the benefits. Another excellent choice is turmeric tea, which contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin also supports cognitive function, helping to keep your mind sharp. So whether you prefer green tea or turmeric tea, both can help reduce inflammation and boost brain health. So there you have it, our top 10 superfoods to help you fight inflammation. From the vibrant colours of berries to the potent punch of garlic, these foods are packed with nutrients to support your overall health and well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet today, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to subscribe and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's fight inflammation together.